Yes, we're going for a walk on a sunny day. The common things the Swedish people do on the weekend is going for a walk. Yes, whatever seasons, Swedish people always go for a walk. On a rainy day, snowing, windy, or beautiful day, Swedish people always go out for a walk.
Men släpp telefonen, det är halt.
Very slippery here, so I have to walk very carefully.
Varför släpper du inte telefonen då?
No, one moment. I have to
Vi ska inte ramla.
do a short video about Swedish people go for a walk, whatever and however. Very icy and slippery. You cannot walk on it. You have to wear an ice bag for this kind of. Yes, you go for a walk. Even very icy and slippery. I don't have any ice bag, but I walk carefully. An oak tree, probably 100 years old or more. This is paradise for Swedish people when you go for a walk along with the sunshine. I probably have been doing this for almost 30 years. And yeah, that's why the reason that the Swedish people are more happy on a sunny day or a spring day. Yeah, that you can tell the Swedish people dress properly than the foreigners like me. You know, when I come for halfway of walk, this is the horse club. You know, they have the horses outside the field and
30% bara. Jaha, inte mer. Jaha, men vet du hur många procent amerikaner är överviktiga då? Ha? 45%? Okej, ja, det var gissa. Okej.
as you can see and tell, the surface of the roads are very slippery. You have to walk very carefully. Okay. Yes, my husband doesn't have good shoes. You see, I told him before, Swedish people always prepare how to go out and how to dress, but sometimes they make mistake anyway. So like I do now, how am I going to cross over? I don't know, but I will go on the side, and you see, oh my goodness. So this is how people in Sweden do on the weekend. You go for a walk if you don't have time or cannot afford to go to the gym. As you know, I working as a radiographer. So just one mistake, I'm going to fall down and break my knee or my legs. So I not intend to do. Yeah, you can see the way in and the way out from the Swedish house. Not easy, isn't it? And another one. And this is another one. How are you going to get inside your house? And one more. The Swedish houses is among the forest. Swedish people love countryside and build a house around with the forest stone. And yes, this is one of those. Just don't make any mistakes. You're going to fall down. One more. Yes, I just like some other foreigners today. Yeah, something Swedish people found the foreigners is so weird. You can see here. Hey. Yeah, one thing the Swedish people found the foreigners is so weird. They don't do the thing like probably like they do, like I do today. I have a lot of courses on. I almost done for the day. And now, Swedish dream. You know, we walk along the village. Outside Stockholm, only 40 kilometers from the city, called Eblinge and Koppamura in Värmdö district. You see, everywhere in Sweden, they have a walking side, even in the forest. Yeah, my husband doesn't walk on the ice. Yes, that's why Swedish people have very good relationship with the nature. Pappa, hur många kilometer har vi gått? Ungefär så. Yeah, I asking him how many kilometers we have been walking, and he just have a look at his watch.
Jag har gjort 7899 steg så att det är...
We did 7,000, more than 7,000 steps. Yeah, we almost done. We very close to our house. So yeah, if you have a look at in front of our house, it's so sleepy too. You know, last Friday I almost could not get up to the house because it's very slippery. So I just took one bag of something, you know. I thought it was salt, but it was not. It turned out to be a white granite that I used to have on my Japanese garden. See, it's terrible. It looks terrible, and that's cost a lot of money. I don't know how to do with that.